darsimizda siz bilan elementary kursimizning 9-unit haqida gaplashamiz va bu yerda ikkinchi qism 9.2 in the kitchen, ya'ni oshxonada. Bu qismda maqsadlarimiz goals, use quantifiers, talk about cooking, ya'ni quantifier, ya'ni ko'plikni bildiradigan so'zlarni ko'rib chiqishimiz va cooking, ya'ni ovqat pishirish haqida gaplashishimiz kerak. Reading and grammar, quantifiers o'qish va grammatikani oshirishga harakat qilamiz va quantifiers, ya'ni sonni, ko'plik sonini bildiradigan so'zlarni o'rganishga harakat qilamiz. Exercise 1. Work in small groups, answer the questions. Kichik guruhlarda ishlang va savollarga javob berishga harakat qiling. 1. How often do you cook? 2. Who does the most cooking in your home? Videoni pauza qiling va bu mashqni yozma ravishda bajarishga harakat qilib ko'ring. Keling endi taxminiy javoblarni ko'rib chiqamiz. Well, I cook almost once a week, or if it's not, once a month, because I like cooking. The reason why I cook once a week is I don't have time because I work all day and I don't have any holiday. For example, Sunday, I also work on Sundays. That's why I quite rarely cook. 2. Who does the most cooking in your home? Well, it's obviously my mom. My father also cooks sometimes, cooks clothes occasionally, and when we have holidays. And I also cook occasionally, rarely when I have time, and to help my mom. Exercise 2A. Work with a partner. Look at the title of the magazine article. Why do you think cooking more often is good for our health? Sherigingiz bilan ishlang va gazetadagi berilgan maqolaning title, ya'ni sarlavhasiga qarang va bizga cooking, ya'ni ovqat pishirish biz uchun va hayotimiz, sog'ligimiz uchun nimaga yaxshi ekanligini topishga harakat qiling. Exercise 2B. Read the article and check your ideas. Endi esa maqolani o'qib olgan holda berilgan o'zingiz o'ylagan fikrlaringizni tekshirib oling. Keling endi javoblarni ko'rib olamiz. O'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, well, when we are cooking, when we cook, we really pay attention to what we are eating, how much we are eating, and when we are eating, and we eat mostly healthy foods, and we eat well. Exercise 3A. Read the article again and complete the notes. Bu qismda siz maqolani yana bir bor o'qishingiz va berilgan qaydnomalarni to'ldirishingiz kerak bo'ladi. Cooking in the past, ya'ni oldingi zamondagi cooking, ya'ni cooking now. Videoni pauza qiling va mashqni yozma ravishda bajarishga harakat qilib ko'ring. Keling endi javoblarni birgalikda ko'rib chiqamiz. Cooking in the past. People spent a long time preparing meals, but cooking now, people spend just 27 minutes a day preparing meal. We buy ready-made meals or takeaways when we don't really think about what we're eating, and we eat more than we need. When we cook, we think more carefully about what we're eating, and we usually eat healthy meals and eat well. Exercise 3B. Compare your answers with a partner. Do you agree with Mr. Cohen? Why not? O'z javoblaringizni sherigingiz bilan takrorlab taqqoslab chiqing va Mr. Cohen bilan qo'shilasizmi, uning fikrlariga qo'shilasizmi va nimaga qo'shilmasligingiz haqida o'ylab ko'ring. Videoni pauza qiling va bu savolga yozma ravishda javob berishga harakat qiling. Keling endi taxminiy javobni ko'rib chiqamiz. Well, I agree with Mr. Cohen, Dr. Cohen, because if you think about it, when you're cooking, you just know what you're putting in, and which is really safe, because when we're eating outside, we don't know what they used, how much they used, and when you're cooking, you just exactly know what you're eating, how much you're eating, what kind of ingredients are they safe, are they clean, are they not infected or poisoned by something else. Exercise 4B. Read sentences 1 to 6 from the article and complete the rules and grammar focus box with much, many, a lot. Demak, bu qismda maqoladan berilgan 1-6-gacha bo'lgan gaplarni o'qishimiz va grammar focus qutichamizni much, many, a lot so'zlari bilan much, many, a lot so'zlari haqidagi grammatika qismimizni berilgan gaplarni foydalangan holda qoidalarni to'ldirib chiqishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Keling endi berilgan gaplarni o'qib chiqamiz. 1. We have quite a lot of health problems today. How many young people know how to cook? Well, there aren't many, according to a survey in the UK. 4. This means we often eat a lot of food. 5. How much time do people spend cooking today? 6. The answer is not much time at all. Grammar focus. Quantifiers, ya'ni miqdorni bildiruvchi so'zlar. Countable nouns, ya'ni sanaladigan otlar. We use a lot of in positive sentences. We use many in questions and negative sentences. Uncountable nouns. We use a lot of in positive sentences. We use much in negative sentences and questions. Bu qismda sanaladigan otlar bilan ham sanalmaydigan otlar bilan ham pozitiv ya'ni interak shaklda a lot of so'zni kelganligini ko'rishingiz mumkin va countable uncountable ya'ni sanaladigan sanalmaydigan ot bo'lishiga qarab many sanaladigan so'zlarda much sanalmaydigan otlarda negative va question ya'ni inkor va savol gaplarda kelganligini ko'rishingiz mumkin va bu qismda 5 a lot of, then quite a lot, some, not much, not many and none. O'zingiz ko'rganingizdek ko'plikdan kamlikka bo'lgancha berilgan so'zlar tartib bilan keltirib chiqilgan. Exercise 5A. Circle the correct option in each question and answer that is true for you. Bu qismda biz to'g'ri savolda berilgan to'g'ri option ya'ni variantni topishimiz va tanlashimiz kerak va biz uchun to'g'ri bo'lgan javobni topishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Videoni pauza qiling va bu mashqni yozma ravishda bajarishga harakat qilib ko'ring. Keling endi javoblarni ko'rib chiqamiz. How much time do you spend in the kitchen? My answer is none. 2. How much meat do you eat? My answer is some. 3. How many cookbooks do you have? My answer is none. 4. How much tea and coffee do you drink? It's none. How much money do you spend on food? Well, it's not much. Exercise 5B. Work in small groups. Take turns to ask and answer the questions. Give more information in your answers. Kichik guruhlarda ishlang va o'rin almashgan holda bu savollarni berish va savollarga javob berishga harakat qilib ko'ring va qo'shimcha savol javobingiz bilan birgalikda qo'shimcha ma'lumotlar berishga harakat qiling va bu yerda taxminiy javobimiz how much time do you spend in the kitchen? Not much. My husband cooks all our meals. Videoni pauza qiling va bu mashqni yozma ravishda bajarishga harakat qilib ko'ring. Vocabulary and listening, ya'ni lug'at va eshitish qobiliyatimizni oshirishga harakat qilamiz in the kitchen, ya'ni oshxonada. Exercise 6A. Listen to 3 people talk about their kitchens. Match the speakers to photos A to C. Bu qismda 3 ta odamning o'zlarining oshxonalari haqida gaplashayotganligini eshitishimiz kerak va berilgan speakerlarni, ya'ni Bridget, Layla and Joe'larni A to C berilgan kitchen, ya'ni oshxonalarga to'g'rilab chiqishimiz kerak bo'ladi.
Audio 9.7. Bridget.
What do I have in my kitchen? Not much, really. I have a kettle because I make a lot of tea, and I have 1 frying pan and 2 saucepans. I don't really need anything else. Oh, I forgot the most important thing in my kitchen. The microwave.
Layla.
Well, there's nothing special about my kitchen. I have all the usual things. Oh, but I have a beautiful old set of plates and bowls for when people come for dinner. I have a lot of dinner parties.
Joe.
I love my kitchen. It's my favourite room in the house. I have a very modern oven and I use it a lot. I have an expensive food processor too. I use it to make soup. My flatmates sometimes get angry with me because I spend hours in the kitchen and they can't come in to cook their dinner.
Keling endi javoblarni birgalikda ko'rib chiqamiz. Bridget is B, Layla is C, and Joey is A. Exercise 6B. Compare your answers with a partner. Javoblaringizni sheringiz bilan takrorlab chiqing. Exercise 7A. Work with a partner. Label for us A to C with the words in the box. Bu qismda o'z sheringiz bilan ishlang va berilgan A dan C gacha bo'lgan rasmlarni berilgan so'zlar bilan to'ldirib chiqishingiz kerak bo'ladi. Videoni pauza qiling va bu mashqni yozma ravishda bajarishga harakat qilib ko'ring. Keling endi javoblarni birma-bir ko'rib chiqamiz. 1. Oven. 2. Food processor. 3. Frying pan. 4. Saucepan. 5. Microwave. 6. Kettle. 7. Fork. 8. Knife. 9. Spoon. 10. Plates. 11. Bowls. Exercise 7B. Listen and check your answers. Audioni eshiting va javoblaringizni yana bir bor tekshirishga harakat qilib ko'ring.
Audio 9.8. 1,
An oven.
2,
A food processor.
3,
A frying pan.
4,
A saucepan.
5,
A microwave.
6,
A kettle.
7,
A fork.
8,
A knife.
9,
A spoon.
10,
Plates.
11,
Bowls.
Exercise 8A. Work with a partner. Complete the sentences with the cooking verbs in the box. O'z sherigingiz bilan ishlang va berilgan gaplarni pishirish fe'llari bilan to'ldirishga harakat qilib ko'ring. Videoni pauza qiling va bu mashqni yozma ravishda bajarishga urinib ko'ring. Keling endi javoblarni birgalikda ko'rib chiqamiz. 1. You boil water in a kettle to make tea. 2. For breakfast, I often fry eggs, mushrooms, and tomatoes together in a big frying pan. 3. To roast meat, you need a very hot oven. 4. Mix the water and flour together in a bowl with a spoon. 5. Not many people bake their own bread or cakes at home these days. 6. You need to use a sharp knife to chop the onions. Exercise 8B. Listen and check your answers. Audioni eshiting va javoblaringizni yana bir bor tekshirib ko'ring.
Audio 9.9. 1,
You boil water in a kettle to make tea.
2,
For breakfast, I often fry eggs, mushrooms, and tomatoes together in a big frying pan.
3,
To roast meat, you need a very hot oven.
4,
Mix the water and flour together in a bowl with a spoon.
5,
Not many people bake their own bread or cakes at home these days.
6,
You need to use a sharp knife to chop the onions.
Exercise 9A. Work with a partner. How do you cook different food? Write sentences using the words in exercise 7A and 8A. O'z sherigingiz bilan ishlang va turli xil ovqatlarni, taomlarni qanaqa qilib pishirasiz? Shu haqida savolga javob bering va bu qismda o'z gaplaringizda 7A va 8A mashqlarda berilgan gaplarni, so'z birikmalarini, fe'llarni ishlatishga harakat qiling va bu yerda example, you can boil potatoes in a saucepan. Videoni pauza qiling va bu mashqni yozma ravishda bajarishga urinib ko'ring. Exercise 9B. Compare your sentences with another pair. Bu qismda esa o'z javoblaringizni boshqa juftlik bilan tekshirib, taqqoslab ko'rishingiz kerak. Exercise 10A. Task. Work with a partner. You want to cook mushroom soup for 4 people. Look at the list of ingredients and guess how many of each ingredient you need. Demak, bu qismda o'z sheringiz bilan ishlang va tasavvur qiling, siz 4 kishi uchun qo'ziqorinli sho'rva, sup tayyorlamoqchisiz va bu qismda qutichada berilgan so'zlar ingrediyentlarning jadvaliga qaragan holda, tablitsasiga qaragan holda har bir ingrediyentdan sizga qancha kerak bo'lishini taxmin qilib ko'ring va bu qismda potatoes, water, milk, mushrooms, carrots and butter va bu yerda example answer how many potatoes do you think we need? A lot. I think we need about 10. Videoni pauza qiling va bu mashqni ham yozma ravishda bajarishga urinib ko'ring. Exercise 10B. Work with a partner. Take turns to ask and answer the questions to check your answers to exercise 10A and complete the recipe. Student A turn to page 129 and student B turn to page 134. O'z sheringiz bilan ishlang va 10A mashqda berilgan javoblaringizni tekshirish uchun bir-biringizdan savol so'rang va savollarga javob bering va bu retseptni to'ldirib qo'yishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Birinchi o'quvchi 129-bet, ikkinchi o'quvchi esa 134-betdan foydalaning. Shu bilan bugungi darsimiz o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Sizni keyingi darslarda kutib qolamiz.